fellow techies, how are you doing today? Have you been trying to install your own Docker desktop? Let's go through the installation together. Let's get started. Okay, so the first step is for you to go to your web browser. Let's check together. Let's check Docker desktop installation. So Docker desktop. It's okay. So we are going to see different options, different options available where you are going to download the application. But I think that the best one is for you to actually go to their website directly. So let's just click on that. So we'll see different options. Fastest way to do this. So many things in here. Okay. So download and install Docker. So let's follow that route. So here is going to be explaining to us how we're going to do it. It's really nothing much. You know your machine. If you are on Mac OS, Microsoft OS, or with Linux, whichever you are using. So just scroll down. Take some time to probably read through. I'm on Mac right now. So I'm going to click on Docker Desktop for Mac. So if yours is a Windows, you can click on that. And if you are using Linux, you can click on that. So I'm going to click on the Mac OS version. So Docker Desktop for Mac with Apple, Docker Desktop with Intel chips. So on getting to this page, you will see which one is your machine. If you have the machine with Apple Silicon or you have the machine with Intel chips. I have the one with Apple Silicon, so I'm going to click on that. But before I click on that, I think it's good for you to look at the installation package so that it will be easy. There's nothing much, like I said. After you have downloaded, you wait for it to download. You double click on the image and open the installer. Then you drag the application into the you drag the icon into the application folder, and that's it. So if you want to start it, you click on that icon that you already dragged into your application folder, and you are up and running. It's automatic, really. The installation is automatic. So the summary is there. So let's go back up and click on my own Apple Silicon version. So we give it time. We wait for it to download. Docker installation is not something that is really stressful or that takes time. It doesn't take time. Before you know it, you are up and running. It's actually a very good application. It helps you to contain your applications in an environment that doesn't interfere or disturb your OS. Like one of my friends used to say that he has made the mistake before that he was trying to download his Airflow on his system directly. That's a big mistake to make. It's better to use your Airflow or other developers' application in your Docker environment. It's straightforward, it's easy, and it compartmentalizes your work so that even if you need to update or renew any of the applications, you can do them separately without interfering with each other. So our Docker has been downloaded. Yeah, Docker Desktop is right here. So we go to our download folder as described, and here is the DMG. So double click on that and drag Docker into your applications just the way it was described, and it's copying it into the application folder. So after that, Docker is installed in our system. It's automatic. We don't have to even worry about it. So here in my application folder, I should be able to find my Docker desktop. Where are you? A, B, C, D. Okay, there you go. So Docker is right here. All I have to do is double click on it and see it running. So there's really nothing much in it yet because we don't have anything downloaded yet. From the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Open. There's nothing in there yet, so we have to we have to download so many applications that we need to use. For instance, I'll be downloading Airflow very soon. I've done that on my Microsoft OS. So, yep. So, all done. Welcome to Docker. So, let's sign up. That's the way it is. So, I'm just gonna sign up, username, password, and all that. Nothing much. And Docker will be up and running. We are going to be doing the installation of the Docker. So from my application folder, click on the Docker machine, and then we come here. If you have signed up before, you will be able to sign up. If you have not signed up before, you sign up here. If you have not signed up before, you sign up here. Or if you have signed up before, like I have signed up already, you just put in your username and your password, and you'll be able to continue. And even if you forget your password, obviously you'll be able to see. So yes, that's it. Here is our Docker environment, and then we can start working. You can see this is Docker desktop. You will see the containers, you will see the images, all these volumes, build, dev environment, and all this. You will be able to use them when you actually have actual images and actual containers in here. But at the moment, I'm not going to be using it. I want to download my Airflow first using Docker, then I'll be back here. So if you are somebody that have been trying to download Docker for a long time, I hope this is helpful. If you're also interested in knowing how to download Airflow, which is a bit more technical than this, stay tuned and stay connected. So I'm gonna be installing Airflow into using the Docker desktop, and I'm going to be working with the Airflow. So if you are also somebody that you are interested in that, stay tuned and stay connected. Click on the like button, subscribe, and follow this page so that we can take this journey together. I've not been recording so many things that I've thought of that, but this is also a good place to start. So if you are on this journey and you are trying to install your Docker, you are trying to install Airflow and all that, then this is the place for you. Let's hope that I have the time and the strength to pull this off. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. See ya.